Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today we're going to be doing penguin block number 7. And this is actually a baby. And when I say a baby, it's because he is so humongous. And I will show you how big he is. Look how big he is. And you know, little baby things are always a little bit bigger. So let's get over here to the ironing board and let's get him put together. Okay, so I have laid everything down that goes to this little guy, or little gal, whatever you want to say. So the first thing I did is, you can see how big his body is try to figure out where his head was. So I took the white part and laid it on there. And I'm just going to lay it anywhere because I'm going to put it all together here. But you know what? The first thing that anytime you see a baby, no matter where you see the baby, in a cart at the grocery store or somewhere else, what's that baby doing? The baby's waving. And that's exactly what this baby's doing. He's waving. So first I'm smoothing down this top part. There we go. Got the wrinkle out. So I'm going to put his little feet up here. His eyes. His nose or beak, whatever you want to say. And then one of his hands is down by his side. And the other one is waving. Because that's what they do. They wave. They're always waving. And that's it for this month's block. It's going to sit on this block. So that's a good sized block. He's going to take up the whole thing. So let me see if I can iron this down so I can pick it up. And then we'll give it a little break here to cool off before I pick it up. And hopefully I can pick it all up in one piece. Now, if you're in between projects and your project gets a little lengthy, I mean, I had this all in, this was in a Ziploc, large Ziploc, and then these were in smaller ones. All you gotta do is just take your lint roller, which I've already used, and then just take the lint off. It works really, really good. Let's put that up in front of that air conditioner. That'll cool it off. And let's see if we can pick it up. I think the feet are going to be the hard part. But if they're too hard, we can put them back on. There we go. Let's pick it up. Let's move that out of the way. Bring my fabric over here. I've already ironed it. Let's just place it on there. Got quite a bit of distance for our 1/4 inch, so I don't have to worry about that. Go over a little bit. That looks good right there. Now remember, as long as you haven't ironed it to them, if you haven't ironed the pieces to themselves, you can still move it. And this looks pretty good to me, so let's just put down. You just slowly move the yarn around. I think these little guys are adorable. I might get this done by Christmas. I have to speed up and do a couple of them in 1 month. See how easy that is to applique? All you do is put your paper down, and in this case I've used double-sided fusible, and you pick out your fabric, whatever you want to use, and it's really, really easy. And there you go, it's finished. Let me get a better shot. There it is on the ironing board. Our little baby penguin. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's not very long, but I've got a lot of them in the works right now. So I will see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone. Maybe we ought to give this guy a name. That's probably what we ought to do. I could do a little bit of embroidering. See you later. Thanks for watching. So I'm out here at the truck and I'm going to be changing my tail light. This is the light bulb that goes in there. Brake light, excuse me. And I'm going to do this so I don't lose any of my information. Let's see how easy or hard. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit. There we go. And the reason I'm using gloves is because, first off, you don't want all your oily prints on it, and it's sort of like a light bulb in the house. You don't want to touch it. So on each side of my vehicle, I have this little box here. Let's see if I can open it. I might not be able to open it. Okay.
Take your scissors. Here. Less invasive. It'll just
In case
pop
you can
off.
tell
Oops.
that No, it's not going to pop off, and I don't have a fingernail to get it, and I don't really want to rip it with the...
Would you like me to pause it again?
Okay, so we have the case off.
Oh, this is going to be easy.
And as you can see, this here, can you see that right there with my hand?
I have no idea. I'm sideways in it. I mean, I'm in that general direction. I can see the light thingy, where you have to turn it counterclockwise.
Let's see. Okay, so it comes to me.
Yep, that's counterclockwise.
And of course you can't see anything because my hand's in the way, but
You're fine.
this is what we're changing.
That's definitely burnt out. All I can see is your glove.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I need to squeeze, put my bulb down here to get it out. Maybe not.
Oh, okay. So, she pops the camera there.
So I pulled it. See how it's being gripped with these little grippers here?
Uh-huh. If you face it towards the camera, can you see it better?
Well, how do you turn it?
Just like that.
You close enough?
Yep.
So these little grippers is all that's holding it in. This is the new bulb. There's no up, down, right or side.
Okay, you said here's the new bulb, but I didn't see the new bulb.
Here's the new bulb.
I see it now. Now turn that where the other end is. There you go.
Okay.
So that should fit in the other.
Just sits right in there and you push it in.
Oh,
it clicked. And now we put it back in. Just like
I
this.
can see this very well, but
yeah, because my head's in there, so we're not going to see anything here.
no, I don't have a shot of your head. I have a shot of your hand.
And I can't get it in there. Here we go. Maybe. Well, the problem is that what I see and what's going in there is two different things, because it should fit like that, but it acts like it's backwards.
It probably is. Turn it the other way. There you go. Like that.
What I'm looking at is the groove of that little piece right there. So this is what you're looking for. I'm going to pull it back out to show you. These little pieces here, they have to go in a specific spot in there, and then when you turn it, it locks it in. So that's why I had it backwards. The first time it wouldn't match up. There, it matches up.
Turn it
to the right, and it actually did another click. And that's it.
And
so
now
I'm going to start the car.
Right, so the car is working.
Is the brake working?
Is your foot on the brake? It is now, yes.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, all done.
Let's finished. It's back in. That's the way it looks before the case goes on. It was kind of hard because I've never had it off before. Although this car is a 2004, I've never had to replace my brake light. Want to put that cap on?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Sorry about that.
This is the big kid now.
There you go. It snaps right in. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. So I wanted to show this little black, I don't know what you call those little things.
Dirt.
No, the little thing inside there. It's an element of some sort. I don't think it's called element. But I'm going to show you that black. That's the side of the bulb that was burnt out, which caused the entire bulb to go out. Now, I don't know how long I've been driving like that. My neighbor was kind enough to tell me when I pulled into the garage last night that my light was out. So that's why I ran up to Pep Boys, got a bulb, $9, and did it myself. Thanks everybody again for watching. Bye-bye.